Using a Fortnite gift card on Switch is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Ensure your Nintendo Switch is powered on. Navigate to the Nintendo eShop on your Switch. You can find it on the home screen. If you don't have one, you will need to create an account. In the eShop, look for an option to enter code or redeem code. This is usually found in the menu on the left side. Use your controller or enter the code from your Fortnite gift card. The code is typically a combination of letters and numbers. After entering the code, confirm the entry and proceed to redeem the code. Follow any on-screen instructions. Once the code is successfully redeemed, the corresponding amount should be added to your Fortnite account balance. You can check this within the Fortnite game. Start Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch. While in the Fortnite game, you can use the balance to make in-game purchases such as V-Bucks, skins, or battle passes.